Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Can you imagine summers without any cold desert? No, right? Yeah, same with me. So, today I am here with one of our Indian traditional cold dessert which will be liked by almost everyone. That is right from kids to our grandparents. Yes, that's nothing but the Indian traditional ice cream called Kulfi. Okay, that too with a twist here. So I'm going to prepare it with very unique method and very easy and simple method without any mold. Make sure you watch the video till the end without missing any part. Before going into the video, make sure you click the subscribe button below and the bell icon to get the notification of my new uploads immediately. To begin with, here I am taking around 3 small cups of milk in a pan. Now let's boil it on a low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes until our milk reduces to half. Okay, now it's been boiling for 15 minutes. Now in a small bowl, I'm taking around 1 teaspoon of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of badam powder. Okay, that is ready-made badam powder mix I'm using here. You can use the homemade badam powder also. Okay, to this I'm adding around 1 spoon of milk and let's mix it. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Okay, now let's add it to our boiling milk. Okay, now once again give it a nice mix. Make sure to cook the milk on a low flame itself. Okay, now let's add some sugar into it. That is, here I am adding around 3 spoons of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Okay, mix it and boil for another 5 minutes. And see, once it is done, it has now reduced in quantity also. So now let's cool it to room temperature. Okay, now meanwhile here I have taken some muskmelon, around 1 big cup. So from that, around half of muskmelon I'll grind it to a smooth paste first. Okay, now our muskmelon paste is ready. Only half cup muskmelon I have used here. So now to this cooled mixture of milk, we'll be adding it to the mixer grinder. Okay, now let us grind everything together. Okay, now our ground mixture also ready. That's it, our Kulfi mixture is now ready. Okay, now we have to put it in a mold for the freezing. So here I am using small steel cups. Yes, you can use steel cups also, or if you have the Kulfi mold, you can use that. So, but I am today sharing how to do without Kulfi mold. So I am putting in a normal steel cups. Okay, into it I am adding some muskmelon pieces. Okay, this will be really very nice taste because you will also get the muskmelon while eating in the middle. So just lightly press the muskmelon into the milk. And now I am adding few chopped almonds. We have also added the badam powder, so that will also give the badam flavor. And here I am adding some chopped almonds. You know, to get that crunchy taste texture while eating, while having the kulfi. Okay, press it nicely inside. Okay, now we have to cover it. So I am using a normal plastic sheet. You can use any plastic sheet or anything. So to fix it, I'm just putting a rubber band, and to fix it, fixing it. Okay, now to make a small gap in the middle, I'm using a knife and slightly cutting it just in the center. Okay, now goes in a stick. Okay, but I don't have any ice cream stick, so I am using just normal our spoon. See, using the plastic sheet and the cutting in the middle, it works so well for this. Isn't it looking good? So similarly, I made for all the three our kulfis. Now these are ready to go into the refrigerator, that is freezer. Okay, we have to freeze it for around 8 to 10 hours, or overnight also is fine. Now these are out of the freezer. It seems it has nicely set well. We have to check it. First, let us remove the cling wrap or the plastic sheet carefully. Okay, see, wow, it looks nice and set. So for how to remove is just dip in a normal water, room temperature water for 2-3 seconds. Then rub it in between your hands. This way it will be easy to remove the kulfi. See, now comes the kulfi. Yes, now it's so easily it came out. Wow, it has come so beautiful. Okay, same way let's do it for all the three. It is our muskmelon and the badam flavor is really very delicious combination. Garnish it with some chopped almonds. And here is our summer special all-time favorite kulfi ready to serve. I hope you will surely give it a try and do enjoy with your family and friends. And let me know in the comment sections how did you enjoy with this kulfi. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.